Sa kasalukuyan, sina Carmel at Crystal patuloy na nagbahagi sa bisitang si Shuvi.
Oh, honestly, ate, I have green jokes din naman with my friends.
Ako din.
But to my friends only.
Pero you're in a TV. You guys are...
Parang hindi namin paparinig sa opposite gender. They admitted din naman sa amin na they get too comfortable in this house. They forget that they're being watched. And they forget they have like other people here with them. Tsaka sabi namin, we should be a good example here.
Kabataan Pinoy. Kailangan maging aware sila sa surroundings nila.
Yeah.
Kasi it's not all fun. It's not, the industry is not all fun. PBB is not all fun. Even if teleserye to ng totoong buhay. Pero may nanonood. And as a person, dapat alam mo kung ano yung tama. It's your responsibility to know better. Even if ang dami mong kasalanan in the past, if hindi ka na-learn or hindi na bago pananaw mo with things, walang silbi.
Walang silbi. Walang silbi ka.
Maya-maya pa si Shuvi pinagsabihan ang boys.
Aware ka dapat sa surroundings mo. Kasi hindi lang naman ikaw. For example, sometimes kasi diba, we get too comfortable. Kasi nandito tayo sa bahay. So, syempre, ilang buwan na kayo dito. Syempre, talagang bahay nyo na to. Pero hindi pa rin sa inyo to. So, parang siguro, meron kayong hindi alam na ginagawa nyo. Or hindi kayo aware. Kasi masyado na kayong comfortable. Yung girls, concerned sila sa inyo. Sa mga jokes. Concerned sila na kahit na kailangan natin magpakatotoo dito kasi teleserye ito ng totoong buhay, there's still people watching. As a guy, you have that full potential na to make a girl feel safe. For sure, may purpose kung bakit kayo ganito. Anong gusto i-teach sa inyo ni Kuya? As the future of this nation, Charis, as yung makikita na namin kayo, grabe, ang layo ng nilakbay nitong lalaking to. Your parents will be proud of you. Sana ganun.
Nakatulong po si Ate Shuvi. May nakakausap po kami na babae. Iba din po kasi, Kuya, pag may nakakausap po kayong babae, parang different perspective.